one of the movers.
Perfume.
Everything is perfume. Ben's aunt, who is genius, is going to help build a lot of shelves here. Ashton helped to like draw it out. And then it's gonna go both ways, here and this way.
Yeah.
Oh my god, halfway through. Yeah, we brought everything.
That's everything.
I know.
Thank you. Better than Ben.
I should load them in the
once.
car. This handle, like this. So it looks like this in here. And this. Wow. Will it go in? Woo! Everything is done here. Okay, so this is the LED light right here. Wow!
Wait, you're gonna put the mirror there?
Yeah! That's crazy.
It doesn't stay until you fully open it.
Look at that.
Oh my god, that's so good. And then here, oh, this is sliding. I'm gonna have my Mac,
You know
my
what I like?
iMac here.
This is so. Did you pick this out? This handle is very like elegant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sheila picks it out, and then she's gonna have white handles on this side. So good.
On top.
I'm so happy. Thank you, Sheila. Summer, you're gonna be here, okay? I'm gonna have all the beauty products for you so you can play here, okay?
Anything.
Yeah? Anything for you. I got all of these organization items that I'm going to slowly put into my drawers over here. These, by the way, they're not blue. I just have to take the glossy sticker, but it's like when you get a new bag and you have the sticker on forever. I'm gonna wait until the very moment I actually move in and start using these to peel it off. Okay, you guys, the office space is officially done. The final finishing touches have been made, and I just like came over on a Tuesday evening to check on it because I'm just so excited. Usually I only come during the weekends, but today was an exception, and let me show you the finishing touches. So these blue film has to come off, but these glass shelves have been installed. So I think this is where I'm going to put some of my cute perfumes and stuff. I brought this candle from Detique. This is what my team got for me for Christmas, and it's just so special. So anything that I can give to from like my team or like my friends and family, I just can't use it. So I feel like I'm gonna put it here as like a symbolic thing. And then this side, we wanted to keep all gold handles, but this side, we want to keep it all white so that when you're like, I mean, ignore the film, but it won't be noticeable that these handles are here versus the gold. I don't want to overdo it, but I feel like right here, this is where my desk is. I feel like I could like do some like sticky organization stuff that I saw in Yesto. And I want a cute light, a desk light in here. This perfume I'm bringing to this office space is this from MFK. I'm so excited to use it. Anyways, it's like 10 p.m. right now, but I literally cannot wait to be spending more time in my dream space. Guys, we ordered a new dining table last week. Like, I fell in love with it. We ordered it. It's already here, and I'm so excited because it's a really large one. I think it can fit up to like 10 people if we want to, but you'll see how beautiful it is because it's a different kind of material. The legs are shaped very differently, but I just feel like the color and the tones will add so much warmth and vibrancy to this whole living room because we have a very big living room to begin with. But are you ready to see it? So our dining table came. It's beautiful, but it came with some scrubs, and I think it happened during transit when they were delivering it. We have a little scrub, so I don't know what to do about it. So we're gonna go to the furniture shop to see what can be fixed. So the update with this table, dining table, you guys saw that it came a little damaged, but Ben saved the day.
This whole table came stained, both below and on top. The biggest part was on the edges. It was chipped. Like
It was so
major
bad.
damage. And I had to basically sand it over here.
Like
and
I
here.
honestly thought we had to return it
Yeah.
because there was no way. It was so chipped.
So I sanded it. I put wood filler in. If you zoom in, you can kind of tell.
Yeah.
And I had them match the color of the paint here, and then they did it exact, painted over it, and I think it turned out pretty good.
I think because it's such a unique table, you can't even get this color anywhere. But besides needing to get new dining chairs, look at how amazing this looks. Thank you, Ben, for always saving the day. Good morning. Today is officially moving day. So by move, it's like not the typical move because we're basically moving my office space. We're moving everything here to the suburbs, and then we're keeping our New York place. But I have so much stuff in my office alone because that's where I get sent all my packages and everything. But holy shit, I have a lot. Got rid of a lot of stuff, still have a lot, but it's gonna be a process. Are you ready?
Yes. Ooh, I like your outfit. Let me show you your outfit.
Okay.
Today.
My outfit is like the cool.
Don't mind the disgusting mess.
Don't mind them.
Yeah, that's not gonna fit you.
My sister's bra.
Where is your top from?
The top is actually from Aloe. This is a new tank top they have. Isn't it cute?
Love. It's cute. It's just so
It's
simple
actually
and
really long
nice.
as well, so I kind of
Oh,
like
I
it.
love a long tank.
Yeah, it's long.
But I love those shorts. It's
Yours
like the
pretty
terry
much.
cloth.
The terry red.
Terry
Red's my
cloth?
favorite color. Making the move a lot easier by putting together all of these skincare boxes. My sister helped me do all of this. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff here. Trying to fit everything in this van. Hello. Is it fitting? Is it gonna fit? Okay. This is our new couch that we got from Calcery. It actually looks so nice right here. And then our other couch is right here for now with this empty space. It's moving day right now, so it's a little hectic. All of the heavy stuff is coming right now. One of the movers is right here. It's a lot of makeup. This is my job. A lot of makeup.
Yeah, have a good job.
Have a good job, I know. We're done. Oh, look at this. We've emptied this entire van out. I'm literally so grateful for these three guys who helped me out today. They were fantastic, great attitude. We've unpacked everything out now. And now here is my new start to my suburb life. We put the entryway right here, and I think it's so nice. I got this like 5 years ago from West Elm. I'm gonna put a mirror right here for the entryway, and I think this would be really cute. They're so good.
She can just figure this out. She doesn't need an
You don't even need no instructions.
These are my movers for the day. The best. We've moved everything in here so far. Got the shelf built in, and now we just have to move all the perfumes into these shelves.
Boxes open, so easy access.
Oh, I love that. Thank you. Wow, thank you so much. You guys are the best. All the
Will
beauty
you
stuff.
tell them this was legit the heaviest box, right? What were you guys saying?
My skincare.
Perfume, perfume, perfume. Everything is perfume.
Everything is perfume. My heavy perfume collection is where everything will be displayed right here. Hey, Dad picked up some jjajangmyeon. You know, Ben, it's a tradition in Korea to have jjajangmyeon on moving day, right?
Oh, is that right?
Oh, you didn't know? I thought that's why. Yay, thank you. Oh my god, this looks amazing.
Really good.
Is it?
Yeah, they're
Got
getting
it from
better.
here.
It's 잡탕밥.
Chatangbap. Got the right iMac color. We're gonna set it up. And I'm so excited. I haven't had like a desktop since my finance days. Like an actual desktop computer. Woo!
looks really good, yeah.
You just need a little stand underneath.
That screen looks small though. Couldn't you have gotten the bigger one or no?
No, this is the normal size. iMac is set up. I'm so happy, you guys. This is so pretty. And the first thing I put in is my ear seeds, the launch of our ear seeds. I'm so freaking excited. This is gonna be revolutionary, but I'm just gonna do all the content and like track our operations and everything all day today now. All right, do you guys wanna see my vanity room? This is the full setup right now. This is where I'm gonna be doing my work, and this is my makeup. This we're still working on. It's still messy, but it's better than what it was before. And here we have my entire perfume gallery, and I have a vision board that I want to set up eventually right here. But it's all coming together. This is the outdoor space right now. I mean, we're still working on everything. Light up. But I brought my kitchen island table from my office out here so I can film more content. This is where I'll be doing more workouts. And that's downstairs area. We just moved yesterday and it's already all set up like this. You have no idea how easy this move has really been. And I'm like actually so happy to be here. I feel a lot more calmer. And I guess this is kind of like the beginning of a half suburb life for me. I swear I would never live in the burbs. I swear I would never leave the city, but now that I'm here, it's not that bad. So if you want to see more of my city to burb life content, please subscribe to Glow with Ava here on YouTube and also on Instagram and TikTok. But until then, bye.